Hello and welcome to the Ryobi workshop. I'm here to tell you about Ryobi's Cordless ONE+ Brushless Stick Vac, perfect for vacuuming your home. My favourite feature of this vac is that it's self-standing, making it easy to use when you need to move furniture or obstacles out of the way mid-clean, or for when you need to empty the dustbin. Simply remove the bin, leave the vac there and empty it into your household bin with this simple latch. This bin can hold 800 millilitres of dirt and debris, so has plenty of capacity. And with a 4 amp hour battery, can vacuum for up to 45 minutes, perfect for a whole house deep clean. However, as the battery is removable, if you need even more runtime, simply swap the battery to another charged ONE+ battery to continue. So you don't have any awkward pauses whilst you're in the zone for cleaning. The brushless motor provides powerful suction of 90 air watts and 900 litres per minute of airflow, which is ideal for drawing up dust from deep within carpets. And this 26.5 centimetre motorised brush bar helps to agitate the carpet fibres and lift dirt. The brush bar can be turned off when vacuuming hard floors, protecting them from scratches, making this vacuum great for transitioning between carpet, rug and hard floor areas. The brush bar can be easily removed, enabling access to the roller for easy cleaning and removal of hair. It comes with a crevice tool and round brush, allowing you to access high up cobwebs, deep clean dusty blinds and reach underneath furniture. The dual cyclonic filter captures up to 99.5% of all particles, including pollen, fungal spores, bacteria and viruses, ensuring a thorough clean of the home. And finally, this vacuum has 2 modes to choose from: a max power mode for powerful performance and an eco mode for maximum runtime and quieter operation. This cordless brushless stick vac is part of the ONE+ system, meaning one battery can be used to power multiple Ryobi tools for the home and garden. And there we have it, the Ryobi ONE+ Brushless Stick Vac, the perfect vacuum for a whole house deep clean.